Hi, this is Sandy Sims with SDS Digital, and I'm going to show you the RITEM CV Record capability. To start, simply tap the rhythm pad and play with the CV knob. To end the CV recording, just tap loop. Now the CV recording is playing. There's a clock input, so raising the PPQN will speed up the rate of play. That's a bit too fast. Now I'm patching in a gate from a sequencer into the reset input of the RITEM. And the RITEM's gate output into the SDS VCO's envelope input. Even though there's only the initial gate that started the record, it's enough to keep the release open long enough for the loop to happen within the gate period, so it is useful. This also puts the CV recording into sync with the rest of the system. For the most part, this CV would be used this way would be better for a filter, or like a variable gate or something like that, percussion tuning. So, but the VCO is just for demonstration purposes. The reset can also be triggered by hand. Now, if you get really brave at this point, you can start editing the first part of the CV loop, as I'll attempt now. Well, that's about it. This is Sandy Sims with SDS Digital. Have fun.